hard to open them like this, man. That's why we have that press. But this is to show you what you'd have to do to open them in real time, real life. I almost got it. See, it's starting to stress. So sometimes you get a good shot at flipping it over and smacking it again. It should come clean. Usually. There it goes. See, I'm breaking a sweat doing that. But I just, you know, processed the whole table full of them and I wasn't sweating. Yeah. Those ones right there. Let's get them. Let's get them. Should be good. Oh no! Oh. Awesome. All right, we're taking a break. We only got 4 more to do, so we'll be right back. Thanks for all the new subscribers that I've been getting. I really enjoy knowing that there's some kind of audience out there for me. So if you are watching and you haven't subscribed, do me a favor, hook it up. Come on. I'm trying. I'm getting my truck back soon. That's a big plus. That's going to help speed things up a lot. All right. Merchant Metals is cracking transformers today. We're going to get this basket right here done. We got a few right there. Got some on the table I want to deal with. But what the goal is today is to crack all these, load it, take it to the scrap yard, and then I'm going to spend every dollar that I make off this basket to buy more. Okay? And hopefully I can get about twice as much transformers before I leave the scrap yard. So then I'll process all those the very next day, right? And double my money, hopefully. So we're going to get kind of right into it. I'm going to get some music going. We're going to have a good time. Mason's going to chase some squirrels. Yep, squirrels. They're back there. And yeah, enjoy the video. If you haven't liked and subscribed yet, do it. My videos are only getting better, so enjoy the video. We'll be right back shortly. break it closer.
Oh, you don't have to. We got it.
back. We're gonna get the day started. We got some transformers set up there on the station, ready to process. That's all the ones that was in this bucket here. So we're gonna jump up there and kind of get started. Probably turn the music down a little bit. I noticed it was a little too loud last time, so I'm hoping that is acceptable. I'm just looking for a little background music. I'm not looking to like ring everybody's ears out with it, so I'm just trying to be mindful of the audience is all. So making these videos, I have you guys in mind, so I keep getting a bigger audience. I would like that. So we're gonna get started. These are all their typical 400 watt transformers, the ones that I usually prefer to run through the press. So we'll get started with them, processing them, that is. Those of you that have watched my videos, you kind of know what I'm already doing. So that came out nice. Yeah. Okay, I think I can turn this up a little bit. You know, I do like to jam, so. Once I start feeling my groove, I'll speed up. I like to start off slow with these. That one had quite a bit of twist in it. I usually don't like seeing that. I rarely see that happen. This is double copper. I can see the copper. With the aluminum wound transformers, it does something to your machine and it makes it do similar things like this. But let's see here. That's about how I like it right there. Maybe adjust that out a little bit. I like to center that wedge right in the middle there. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. That head is separated perfectly. Besides that last little bit right there. Push it in there all the way. Let's pop that. Of course it won't. I'll just have to hammer it out, but whatever. Last little chunk right there on each side. See that? Got smack there and there. I need my yellow hammer. Well, I guess I could use this. Yeah. I want to see how these punch out. Some of them come out super easy, some don't. I'm hoping these come out super easy. I feel like putting in not a lot of effort today. If they don't punch out easy, I'm gonna make the machine do it. Oh, these are gonna be perfect. Look at how easy that came out. I can probably get these in one swing. Nope. Nope. I think I like the other wedge more. I think I like the other one more. Sometimes that one is the hammer to use. Really just depends on which transformers that you're tearing apart. That's nice. That's good weight. Okay. You know, I kind of liked it with the basket in front of me, like so. And that wouldn't be all that hard to put my stool in front of this and then work at them. All right, we're gonna use this hammer 3 at a time and then smack 3 out to see if we can get our 1 minute. 3 per minute is what we're aiming for. For me, 3 a minute is moderate, pretty fast, so let's do it. Here we go.
Another choice. A fiscally responsible, anti-big government, true conservative that will slash the budget.
Oh, wrong hammer. There we go. Get my stool. 3 a minute.
And I'm voting for him.
The government tracking a woman's pregnancy is the most invasive idea.
I don't think we're going to get it.
Involved in areas of pro-life advocacy for more than 10 years.
If they pop out like that, I can get it.
Pro-control of women.
Reaper. Get out of there. Wow, see? Fail. One of them is giving me an issue. Look at that. That's going to be impossible to get out now. Damn. I was doing so good. Son of a biscuit. It still might have been 3 a minute. Let's try it again. Trial and error, right? We're doing it again. That was close. I'm setting this one to the side so it's not in my way. The stool, we just popped out of the way right there. Alright. So I can grab that quick. That's set up. Should be good to rock 3 more. Alright. 1, 2. Actually, wait. That's in an inconvenient spot for me. Right there is nice. Alright, ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh no! It's jammed! Oh god! That one popped weird. That hurts my time. No good. See that? It didn't pop the other side. That's not good, man. I gotta figure this shit out. I'm gonna have to leave a little breaker bar there the whole time, so in case I have this issue. Okay. These ones are proving a bit more deeper than I had anticipated, but we're gonna try again after we punch these 3. This is a learning experience for me. I'm trying to go with what works the best, and if I have an issue or I encounter an issue, I can solve it very quick. It's my game. That's what I want. Through this. Okay, let's try it now. Okay, that one popped. All right. We're gonna pop 3 more right now while the air compressor is hot and it's full air. Let's see. What the heck? Okay. It's working better. Some of them are proven to be tougher. See, that one went beautifully. See that? Oh shit. What the hell? Oh, there goes the winding. See, look at that one. Much harder to get out. in all reality, that's not too bad. If I'm only doing that to a few of them, I'm kind of cool with that. We need to make a couple new baskets inside here so it's easier to load them later. The hell is all that? Oh god. Holy smokes. Toxic stickers. Those are kind of cool. I might keep those. Ridiculous, man. Some of these I'll fly through and I'll get dang near 4 a minute.
What could be more repulsive than the government watching
Let's
my
try it again.
daughter and granddaughter
I mean, it's not like we're not
control
going through them. It's
their
just
bodies and what they're doing with their
not at
lives.
the speed
And
that
that's
I
just
would
one
want.
example. I'm done.
I want them to go faster.
With Google Play Points, Play unlocks more play,
Okay.
more rewards, more exclusive experiences, more early access.
Yeah, it went. That one was a tough cookie. Oh, wrong way. That was almost 4 a minute, I think. Oh! I missed. Oh no! Look at my hammer! Holy smokes! Don't stop now, I guess. That was crazy, bro. Oh my god, almost chopped my finger off. Craziness. Okay, I broke my hammer, but I still got them done pretty quick. Glad it didn't fly off and kill me. That's insane. This handle's dry rotted. There. I might get a little bit more out of it. I just got to keep an eye on that. Yeah, I think we're about through, besides this bad one right here. This one's garbage. I bent it in the press. So we're gonna try to open it. It's bent. It's harder to open in that way, in that case. Pain in the butt now. We'll get it. Got it. You know, that wire right there might hold it up from sitting better, more flat, right? So I would attempt using this hammer again. So let's check it out, see. I don't know, man. It's so badly bent right here. There, that might work. I had to smack it back over so it would have a place to sit. Okay. Trying, man. Try to.
Chunky and beefy. 21 grams of protein in this bad boy.
See, that's what happens when you bend them. They don't come out as easy at all. See, that's why it's caught up right there.
Soup that eats like a meal.
Radical Kamala Harris created border crisis. Thousands of accused murderers, rapists, even terrorists for it. Kamala created the border crisis. She won't fix it now.
Trying to get it to sit flat better. More gooder. Let's see if it'll punch out now. Probably won't. Oh, getting lucky. Maybe I can tap it out right there. Cool. That should be a lot easier, wouldn't you think? Nice. We're almost done with them, I think. got this big one right here. In order to do that, I have to lift this up. I think I'm just gonna go manual on it. What do you guys think? Kind of like that more. Like more of a surface to hit it with. Tough one. This is a tough one. See if we can smack it right there, maybe. Oh my God. Right there. It's hard to open them like this, man. That's why we have that press. But this is to show you what you'd have to do to open them in real time, real life. I almost got it. See, it's starting to stress. So sometimes you get a good shot at flipping it over and smacking it again. It should come clean. Usually. There it goes. See, I'm breaking a sweat doing that. But I just, you know, processed a whole table full of them and I wasn't sweating. So there's a big difference. Mighty, mighty. Almost got you. Get out of there. That's a nice heavy one. But you see, I would have had 4 or 5 more of those done without swinging away at it like a lumberjack, you know what I mean? So, we got some more on that bottom rack, and they shouldn't be as near as tough as these ones was. Yeah, those ones right there. Let's get them. Let's get them. Should be good. Oh no! Oh. That was awesome. All right, we're taking a break. We only got 4 more to do, so we'll be right back. All right, we only got 4 more to go. I got this ready for the crane to load into the car. We're back the car up, load this stuff up, head to the scrapyard. That's the game plan. It's about 12 o'clock now, so it looks like I might get back here early. I decided not to buy more transformers right now because I got better things to be doing. But anyways, we're gonna finish these last 4 and just call it a day. Go turn the stuff in. She went. Didn't make much sound, that one did. Need a small one for that. Beautiful. Done. Load this in the car. Load that in the car. And we're out of here. We'll be back. Like and subscribe if you like scrapping. I'm your guy, you know. So we'll see you soon. Might be back here with the receipt. Might be on a walk showing the receipt. I don't know. We'll see how the day unfolds. Till then, have a good day. Oh, there's a piece right there. Oop. That's got to be on the back side there. Okay. Perfect. Okay, we'll back the car up and load that. And grab the copper, obviously, grab the copper. Yeah. Let's weigh the copper. Let's see what we made. All right.
I voted for Donald Trump in 2016 and 2020. Now, for the first time in my life, I'm voting
Not
for
as much as I
Democrat.
usually
The
would,
reason
but
for
it's still
that
good, some good weight.
All started on January 6th when Trump
Oh, yeah.
tried to overthrow the government. I don't agree with everything
And even
that the
100
Democrats
pounds.
want to do. But
That's
I know
not
they
too
don't want to
bad.
overthrow the government. And
That's
it's really
probably
that
about
simple.
tree
I
fitty.
believe in my demise. I believe in my country.
Literally.
This country is people apart.
Okay.
We're looking for adults 45 and under to be in our
We're gonna load up and head out.
Sound like you?
We'll see you back.
Section. cause
I mean-
certain cancers.
We'll see you back. Like and subscribe.
Gardasil 9 is a vaccine given to adults through age 45 that can help
Copper.
protect against certain HPV-related.
Go on. Copper right here. We've got a little leftovers, I see. Shit. Had some room on that one in the back. Copper. Oh shit. £100. It's not that much. Let's go. I've done worse to the body. Yeah, it's in. Let's put this one down here. Oh. Yeah, we're good. Those aren't gonna tip. All right, we're loaded. Me and Mason are heading out. He's ready. He's already in the car, so we're running up there and running back. Maybe continue with some other stuff today. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for all the new subscribers that I've been getting. I really enjoy knowing that there's some kind of audience out there for me. So if you are watching and you haven't subscribed, do me a favor, hook it up. Come on. I'm trying. I'm getting my truck back soon. That's a big plus. That's gonna help speed things up a lot. All right, going to the scrapyard. We'll be back. We'll have a receipt for you. Hope you've been enjoying the video. Peace.